This is Jason with Glitch in the System. Today we're going to do two quizzes. We're going to do the Laugh quiz and the Cry quiz from Udacity's front-end web developer course for the JavaScript section. Okay, so for Laugh, we need to write an anonymous function expression that stores a function in a variable called laugh and outputs the number of ha's that you pass in an argument. Okay, so we did something like this earlier with the laugh it off, but this one is asking us to use an anonymous function expression. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to copy the starter code. Okay, and then this is our function, where our function expression goes. So var laugh equals function. So they said anonymous, so we're not going to give it a name. Let's just put num here. Okay, and then var laugh string equals empty string, and then for I equals 0, I is less than num I plus plus. And it's going to be laugh string. Let's see if I can spell this correctly. st laugh string plus equals ha. So if you did the other laugh it off quiz with me, this is probably going to look pretty similar. And then laugh string plus equals exclamation point. All right, and then return laugh string. All right, so what are we doing here? So console.log is going to take the return value of whatever we do in laugh. So laugh, and it has a argument of 10, and I have too many equal signs there. So laugh has an anonymous function. We're going to pass that 10 into here. We're going to say I is our incrementer, so I is originally set to 0. So since 0 is less than 10, it's going to add a ha, and then it's going to keep on doing that. So for all the way up to 10. So it's going to have 10 ha's, and then when it's done, it's going to add an exclamation point to the end of the string, and then it's going to return the string. So let's go ahead and grab this and make sure that it works. Test run. Ha ha ha, that looks good. Let's make sure that it passes. And that is a passing quiz. All right, let's jump over to Cry. So for Cry, write a name function expression that stores the function in a variable called Cry and returns boo-hoo. And let's grab the starter code. All right. So for Cry, we need to create a variable, Cry, and that's going to equal the function. I'm just going to call it make cry. Just put n in there. Okay, so var cry string equals, and then they just said boo hoo. All right, and then return the cry string. Okay, and then all we need to do is console.log cry. Okay. Oops, don't forget your parentheses in there. All right, so what are we doing here? So console.log is going to take the return value of the cry function. So cry, and we actually don't need this n in there. So cry is going to call the function make cry, and it's going to create a variable called cry string, which already has the string in there, and then we're just going to return cry string. So not much to this one. Let's do a test run. Boohoo, and then submit that answer. Thinking. And that's a pass. All right, so we did 2 quizzes today, laugh and cry, and that's it. If you liked the video, hit that button and subscribe if you want to see more.